Oh, hey, Mr. Dinosaur, what are you doing here?
I'm out looking for words to read. Do you want to come with me?
Oh, I love reading words. Let's go. Can you see the word anywhere?
No, I don't see it anywhere. Where could that word be?
I found it. I found the word.
What does it say?
It says B-I-K-E. B-I-K-E? What the heck does that mean?
You forgot that the E on the end is silent, and the I has to say its name. So it should be B-I-K. B-I-K. Bike.
Hooray, we read the word.
Let's go find another one. Dino, I found another word. Hooray! Let's read it. R-A-S. Remember the E is silent. R-A-S. Race. Woohoo! I love reading words. Race you to the next one. Can you see any more words, Dino? I'm looking all around. I don't see any. Here it is. I found it.
Oh, it's my turn to read.
Cube. Cube.
Look, I can drive on top of the word. Drive.
Hooray! Let's go read some more words. Where on earth is that other word? I can't even find it. Can you find it, Dino? Not yet. Oh, wait. There it is. Oh. Home. We read the word. Woo-hoo! I bet I can find the next word first.
No way, I'm gonna get there. Vroom.
Man, oh man, where could that word be? I'm not even sure.
Vroom.
Hey, I found it. Oh man, I wanted to be the one to find it. It says game.
Wow, we are so good at reading.